Hello class, you are watching this video because you are required to do a group project in which you create a PowerPoint slide that you will present in class. I am going to have you guys all use Google Slides for your PowerPoint presentations. In order to use Google Slides, you guys are going to have Gmail accounts, which I know you all do because it's required for the school. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into your browser, and you're gonna, my homepage is Google. If Google is not your homepage, then just go to Google, and you see these boxes of 9 squares. If you click on that, that's called Google Apps. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your Google Drive. Once you're in your Google Drive, you're gonna click New Document, Google Slides. Now that you're in Google Slides, it's very similar to using PowerPoint in the Microsoft version of PowerPoint. However, I feel that this one is a little bit more creative. You have a little bit more leeway. Plus, you can share it with your fellow group members and you can all work on it from your own computers at home, as opposed to constantly emailing updates, losing which one is the newest copy, and so on and so forth. So what you're going to title this is your group number, your class period, and your topic. Once you've done that, then you can start creating your PowerPoint. These are the different themes, and you can click whatever theme you like. And very similar to Microsoft PowerPoint, you just add new slides and keep adding them and adding material to them. When you have your PowerPoint created, please note that only one of you has to create your PowerPoint. There are 3 to 4 people in each of your groups. So I repeat, only one of you needs to create the Google slide. Once it is created, you will then share it. When you share your Google file, you just have to submit their email addresses here. And make sure that it says that they can edit it. If you want to add more people, you just keep adding their emails until you have entered in everybody in your group. In addition to adding the rest of your group members, I also want you to add my email. That way, I can check to see your guys' progress, and if I notice that you are falling behind, I can contact you and let you know that when the project is due and see if you guys need to come in for additional help. So once you write in everybody's email, you're just going to press send and it will give them their permission. Now I'm going to show you how to have a little bit of fun in here. So this is your Google slide. You can choose a variety of layouts by right-clicking and putting apply layout. As you can see, there's a variety of different types of layouts. Once you've selected your layout, you can also add videos, pictures, and animations. First, I'll show you how to add an animation. So this would be the topic of what you're discussing. So on this slide, if you're discussing the Revolutionary War, and in this particular slide, you're discussing George Washington, that's where you would put it. And then you would put information here that you can add via bullet points, numbers, or if you just want to write a paragraph. I don't suggest a paragraph, but it is up to you. And here you can just write your information. Etc. So once these are added, now I'll show you how to animate them. If you want to animate this information, for instance, you're going to highlight it, right-click it. Oh, sorry. You're going to highlight. Let's add an image and I will show you how to animate that. So now we're going to press insert, image. So what you're going to do is it's going to say uploaded by something you already have downloaded. You could take a snapshot, which is going to be used, that won't work. You can insert a URL, or you can search for something. Since I don't have an image already ready, I'm just going to search. Here's a very generic picture of George Washington. I'm just going to select that. So now, once you have George Washington's image in here, you're just going to put it where you want it, and then you right-click it and you can animate it. So here are the animation options. You can have it fade in, you can have it fly in, or you can have it slowly appear, you can have it zoom into the picture or zoom out of the picture. In this case, I want it to spin, and I want it to spin relatively medium. And now you can watch it spin. Very fun. So now that you've added your animation, you can also now add a video. Adding a video is very similar, except instead of putting image, you're going to put video. When you add the video, you're going to want to type in something from YouTube. Again, I don't have a video ready, so I'm just going to search for one. The truth about George Washington. Let's add that. So once the video is added, you're also just going to re-put it where you want it, and it'll be embedded into your PowerPoint. That way, when you're making your PowerPoint presentation, you just have to click play. Please remember that for your group presentation, all of you are required to speak, all of you are required to participate, and you also need to follow the guidelines on the rubric I have handed you. Your PowerPoint will need to include 15 slides with information and pictures. You will also need to include at least one video that is less than 5 minutes. Thank you and good luck.